Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, this afternoon, I'm going to give you an activity regarding Ohm's law. Okay, but before that, I will discuss to you on how to solve or to get the current, resistance, and the voltage in the circuit using the Ohm's law. Okay, let's start with what is Ohm's law. Okay. An Ohm's law is the fundamental equation for electricity and governs the vast majority of electrical work that we do. It was named after George Ohm, a German physicist who published a treatise in 1827. In it, he explained measurements of applied voltage and current by using a simple electrical circuit made with varying lengths of wire. Ohm's law states that current is directly proportional to the voltage and inversely proportional to the resistance. This means that if voltage is increased, the current will increase at the same rate. If voltage is decreased, the current will decrease also. So I will show you on how this Ohm's law applied in the current. Let's go to the next page. This one. As you can see, this is a simple electrical circuit. You can see there the battery, the lamp, and the wire. In the wire we can get the current. The current in the circuit. Lamp gives the resistance and the battery gives the voltage. So let's go back to the Ohm's law. The Ohm's law states that the voltage is directly proportional to the current. It means here that if the voltage is increasing or it increased, the current will also increase. For example, here as you can see in the picture, the voltage there is 12 volts. 12 volts. And the current is 4 amperes. So when we say increase, let's say the voltage and the current increased into 3. Plus 3. So it will become 12 plus 3 is 15 volts. And the current it will become 7 amperes. While the resistance will decrease. Again, the battery or the voltage and the current is directly proportional. So when we say directly proportional, ibig sabihin, kung may taas ang voltage, may taas ka pang current. While it is inversely proportional to the resistance. When we say inversely proportional, it means kung maghitaas ang voltage and current, and resistance naman niya is mahabubo. And if the resistance increased, the voltage and the current will decrease. That's how we explain Ohm's law. So let's have this one. Let's say the resistance increased by 3 ohms. So we will add it to the current resistance of the circuit. Let's say 3 ohms. So 3 ohms plus 3, it becomes 6 ohms. And the voltage and the current will decrease by 3. 3 volts and 3 amperes. So 12 minus 3 is equals to 9. It becomes 9 volts. And current 4 ampere minus 3 amperes, it is equals to 1 ampere. That's how we describe Ohm's law in the circuit or electrical circuit. Let's go now to the next page. Okay, here are the formulas of Ohm's law. Okay, this can be represented by a formula as follows. I is for current is equals to voltage over R. Or you can say voltage V or E over R. Voltage or E is equals to I times R. Current times resistance. And resistance is equal to voltage or V or E over current. Okay, so those are the formulas that we're going to apply in finding the current, voltage, and the resistance in a circuit. Okay, let's go now to the unit of measurements. Okay, voltage, the unit of measurement for voltage is volt or volts or V. Current, its unit of measurement is ampere or amperes. Okay, the symbol is A. And the resistance, the unit of measurement is ohm or ohms. Okay, so as you can see, that is the symbol for ohms or ohm. Okay, don't forget this unit of measurements because it's very important. Okay, when you answer your activity, don't forget to put the proper unit of measurement. Okay? Alright, let's go now to the next page. Okay, let's have this one. Okay, let's solve for the current. Okay, what is the amount of current in this circuit? So as you can see in the picture, you can see the battery, the lamp, and the wire. Okay, let's use the formula I is equal to E over R, or voltage divided by resistance. Okay, current is equals to, as you can see, the voltage there is 12 volts. So 12 over the resistance is 3 ohms. Okay, 3 ohms. 12 volts over 3 ohms. All you need to do is divide the volts and the resistance. So we will come up with current is equals to 4 amperes. Okay. It's very easy. You just need to divide the voltage and the resistance. Okay. Okay, don't be confused on the formulas. Okay, let's go to the next page. So again, current, unit of measurement is A or amperes. Okay, let's go to the resistance. Okay, resistance. What is the amount of resistance offered by the lamp? Okay, as you can see in the picture, the battery is 36 volts and the current is 4 amperes. So let's solve for the resistance in the circuit. Okay, our resistance is equal to voltage over current. Okay, the current there is 4 amperes and the voltage is 36 volts. So 36 volts divided by 4 is equals to 9 ohms. Okay, again, the unit of measurements for resistance is ohm. Okay, let's go to voltage. Okay, what is the amount of voltage provided by the battery? Okay, E or voltage is equal to I times R, or current times resistance. As you can see in the picture, the current is 2 amperes and the resistance is 7 ohms. So you just need to multiply the current and the resistance. So you will come up with 14 volts. E is equals to 14 volts. Okay, so that's it. It's very easy. Again, if we're going to solve for the voltage, you just need to multiply the current and the resistance. If you're going to solve for the current, you just need to divide voltage over resistance. And if you're going to find the resistance in the circuit, just divide volt over current. Okay? Okay. So that's it. Okay, that's it for today. I hope that ma-perfect niyo an activity 4. Okay, thank you so much for listening and have a good day everyone.